everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to do some more drawing. We're going to draw from drawing shape by shape again. Today we're going to draw a sea turtle, and our sea turtle is going to be drawn using triangles. So go ahead and grab your pencils, markers, color crayons, whatever you're going to draw with today, and a piece of paper, and let's get started. So today I'm going to start by drawing with my dark green, and I'll probably be switching back and forth through a couple different colors to get my sea turtle, but we're all going to start out with the same. So first thing we're going to draw a nice big triangle. For this triangle, we want the point at the top, so I'm going to start by drawing two lines going down the sides, and then my straight line across the bottom. Now, part of our shell, we need to draw the other part. So we're going to draw a skinnier triangle. We're going to keep this line, and we're going to draw a point going down. So coming in from one side, coming in from the other, and we're going to have that point going down. Okay, now, do we need this line in the middle anymore? No, we can go ahead and take our eraser and erase that, because this is our shell. So we have our shell now. Next, and I'm going to switch colors, we're going to draw our actual sea turtle body parts. So we're going to start with the head. Now, head's coming down out of this end. We want it to look like our sea turtle is swimming down. So you're going to start out with a circle shape, and then you're going to take that circle and you're going to curve it up and curve it up so that it looks like it attaches to your shell. Now, do I need this line anymore? No, so let's go ahead and erase that line. So there you have your sea turtle's head. Now we need to get some flippers because this sea turtle's got to be able to swim. So we're going to draw those out of each side here, and then we're going to draw some coming out of more closer to the top. So with these lines, we're going to draw them right over, touching and coming out of our point. So you can go ahead and start a little line there, and then a little line coming out of the other side. So I'll do that on both sides so I know where my lines are going to be. Now these flippers are going to come out and be kind of like a curved U. So come out, curve a little bit up, and then line up into the other part. Now if you want to make this part a little skinnier so it looks a little bit more pointy, go for it. Shrink that in. We're going to do the same thing for the other side. So it's going to come out, curve up kind of like a U into almost more of a, you can almost say it's more of a V, something like that. Now, if you need to turn your paper upside down to draw those, go for it. I can't turn the whiteboard, it's not as easy. Now, our back legs and our tail are going to be a little bit more straight than these two. So they're going to come out of the top part here, curve up and curve in. This side's going to do the same thing. Come out, curve out. Oh, that got a little big. Hang on, gotta erase. And then curve in. And then we need a little tail. And our little tail is just going to be a U here at the bottom. Now if you notice, I've got a bunch of those that overlap, so I'm going to do some erasing. And I think we're going to move this tail down this leg down just a little bit, so it looks a little bit more like it's coming out of the shell body instead of coming out of the tail. Let's go ahead and make those edits. There we go. That looks a little bit better. Now, our sea turtle needs a face. So I'm going to change colors. I'm going to change to my black. I'm going to draw two circles down here on his head. Give him some cute little eyes. Give him two little dots for a nose. Give him some cute little eyebrows so he looks like he's a little bit inquisitive. And then I'm going to add some bubbles just to make him look kind of cute. So he's going to have some air bubbles around him. And yeah, those probably should be in blue, but oh well. Next, I'm going to decorate his shell. Now, you could be normal and give him spots. You could have some fun and make it a spiral. You could do a lot of things. I'm today just going to give him some different shapes. I'm going to make them kind of squarish So he's gonna have square spots. Could you make yours however you want? Oh yeah, be creative. If you want to give him heart spots, if you want to give him rectangle spots, have fun. Give him some different spots. And then once you have your spots on there, you can go ahead and you can draw him in the water. So if you want to draw the water up here, you could draw him as if he's just dived into the water. Give it a little bit more water. Down here you could draw some seaweed. So give him a sandy bottom down here at the bottom. Draw him some seaweed coming up. Draw some more seaweed over here. Maybe draw some more fish for him to be swimming with. Have fun. Give him a background. Give him some fun things to be playing with or swimming with. If you want him to be swimming through outer space, draw him in outer space. Have fun. And show him to me. So if you do this one, I would love to see him. Either message me on Class Dojo or go ahead and email him to me at my work email. I will see you guys next time. Bye.